Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at topic 1.2 of the IB Biology Standard Level course, which is parts of a eukaryotic cell. So you probably remember how a eukaryotic cell looks like from GCSE, easy and simple, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, but it's actually not entirely true. So don't worry, the world is not exploding, even though IB Biology will feel like that most of the time. So this is how an animal cell actually looks like. Here's another example. And here are all the things you need to know in an animal cell. It's a bit more than in GCSE, but don't worry, it's not that hard. Here's an example of a plant cell. And here's all the things you need to know. Now we're going to go through all of that. So let's start with the basics. What is an organelle? It is a specialized subunit within a cell that has a specific functions, and some examples are a nucleus, mitochondria, lysosome, chloroplast, ribosome, vacuoles, and flagellate cilia. Don't worry if you don't recognize some of this stuff because we're going to go through all of this now. We decided to divide this topic in two videos, and in this video we're going to look at ribosomes, mitochondria, and the nucleus. So let's start with the nucleus first. It contains genetic material and controls cell activity, the same as you knew in GCSE. It's made up of the nuclear membrane, which is a double membrane that controls material entry and exit. It's kind of like the cell membrane, but a bit smaller, obviously. It has nuclear pores that allow large molecules like mRNA out of the nucleus. And it has chromatin, which is uncoiled DNA. It controls the cell activity. You see it here. It kind of looks like spaghetti around the more concentrated, what looks like chromatin, but that's actually the nucleolus, which is a bit darker. And it's made out of DNA, and it's involved in making ribosomes. So a bit closer look to the picture. Here you see this is the nuclear membrane. Nuclear pores are the holes going through it. Chromatin is this like uncoiled DNA. It kind of looks like spaghetti. And the nucleolus kind of looks like a meatball in the middle. So that's how I remember it. Now we have mitochondria. So it also has a double membrane, outer and inner membrane. The outer one controls flow of materials in and out. The cristae formed by infolding of the inner membrane. It increases the surface area for attachment of enzymes. It has a fluid matrix, which is kind of like the cytoplasm in the cell. They have their own DNA material, but it is only inherited from the mother, so all the genetic material in your mitochondria is all from your mother. And they also have ribosomes, kind of like the cell, but it's not considered a cell because it's an organelle. Now we have ribosomes. They have no membrane, unlike the nucleus and the mitochondria. They are found in the cytoplasm or the RER. We're going to look at RER in the next video. Here you see them. They have two subunits, one small and one large. And they also appear as dark granules on the micrographs. Like you see here, they are not really dots, they're kind of like speckles. They synthesize proteins to function in the cytoplasm for use within the cell, for example, enzymes. And there are two types, the 80S, which is found in eukaryotic cells, and it's a bit bigger, and the 70S type, which is found in prokaryotic cells, and it's a bit smaller. So this is it for this video. We're gonna look at the rest of the organelles in the next one. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more biology content, and we hope to see you next time.